Okay, so what we're doing in this video is showing you how to use the YouTube editor to put on links and call to actions within your video. So this one here, for example, will actually subscribe me to a video, to the channel without kind of doing anything more. So if I click on that, you'll see what it does is puts a thing in that says sub confirmation with the YouTube link, right? And that will subscribe me. In this case, it will subscribe me to my own channel. So I'm going to show you how to put those on. Now we're going to start by looking at our video editor, and down in here we can do a whole bunch of things. You can do info and settings, you can mess around with the audio, do some other bits and pieces. We're going to go to annotate. Now it kind of looks like an ordinary video editor. The video starts playing so you can see what it is that's going on and where things are. And in our case, what we're going to do is come and add something reasonably close to the end. All right, so we've got a kind of outro video here. So I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm just going to come back just before the end of the video here. I'm going to click pause. So you can use various different items. So like a speech bubble, you can put titles in. So we'll just run through them real quick. So a speech bubble has a little drop down thing here. You can type some stuff into the speech bubble. There it is. You can change the text and how long it lasts for, and you can put a link in. So you can put a link into a video, another playlist at your own channel, for example, your Google Plus page. So I'm going to put in subscribe in here, and I'm going to put in the YouTube username, which in this case is 65TV. That's our channel name, right? User is 65TV. Now what that'll do is set everything up so that when the user clicks on that speech bubble, will automatically be subscribed. Now I'm just going to change that content a little bit, make it a bit more useful. You can see that YouTube's sort of adjusting the content and the text as we go a little bit. So again, you can sort of drag it around. You can move where you want the little speech item bitty to go as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up in the top right here, because when I push play and we come through towards the end of the video, I don't want it to interfere with the bits and pieces that we've already got going on. Okay. Now one of the account features that you can enable is external annotation links. So as normal, you can't kind of link these to anything basic. You can't go to your own web page, for example. So you'll sometimes see that this will come up, this item up the top when you're editing a video. That actually is also located down inside the channel settings. External annotations, you see this here, it says lets you annotate to external sites or merchandise partners. That's green. I'm going to click on enable here and then click on accept. So now that says it's enabled and it's externally available. So if I click on this guy, I should now be able to see associated website, right? So that'll give me the ability then to put those external links in. You just go back to your room as I need. Now I'm also going to add a second item which actually goes around this Google for Work partner box here. So in this case I'm going to use the spotlight tool, and I'm just going to reshape this so that it's in the right size, in the right place. I don't know what's going on. Those don't look like they're right. So that's now around the Google for Work partner piece. Now what I can then do is say, cool, video associated website, and I can put a URL in there which would be the appropriate URL for that particular link. So those are the two things that we add on to the majority of the end of our videos to make it much easier for people to be able to come, click through and find us.